Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert JPG to PNG transparent background in Photoshop. First we go to window menu. Here we see this image format JPG. Now we convert PNG with transparent background. Go to the select menu and choose subject. Go to the layer menu and choose new to layer by copy and shortcut Ctrl J. Now we go to layer panel and delete the background layer. Here we see transparent background. Go to file and choose save as and save type PNG. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget like, comment and subscribe.